Dear student, how are you?
Hope that you are all well in your own home, and it is my deep expectation that you are all safe and sound. Dear student, here I am, Muslim Ali, an assistant teacher of Satkira Collectorate School and College. Dear learners, can you remember our last class? Yes, you can remember that in our last class we discussed about the transformation of sentences, and the sentences were from assertive to exclamatory and from assertive to interrogative. Dear learners, you can see here that I have hang a poster here, and the poster is assertive to exclamatory. Dear student, here you can see a poster that is a teaching material, and I am going to discuss in front of you today that how to transform from assertive to exclamatory. Dear student, follow the chart at first. Here I have written that a very থাকলে, in assertive sentence if there is a very, how can we transform it into exclamatory sentence? You can see a rule that I have written in the poster. Dear student, now I am writing a sentence of assertive. Follow me, dear student. It is a very nice pen. Dear student, here you can see that I have written a sentence, and the sentence is, it is a very nice pen. Another one, it was a very lovely garden. And the third one, cricket is a very exciting game. Dear student, here you can see that I have written three sentences, and the three sentences is in assertive form. If there is a very in this assertive sentence, then we have to follow this exclamatory rule, and that I have written here what, a or an. At the beginning of the exclamatory sentence, we have to write what, a or an. A or an is dependent on this adjective. This adjective. Here you can see three adjectives I have written in the board: nice, lovely, and exciting. And after the adjective, I have written three noun, and the noun is pen, garden, and game. Dear learners, now I am transforming these assertive sentences into exclamatory sentence. Follow me. At first I have to write what, a or an. Now, what, a. Dear student, follow here that I have written here a oblique n, but I have written here a because our adjective starts with a consonant odd, and the consonant odd is n. Dear student, that's why n is not used here, so I have written here a. Dear student, what, a or an is completed here, and then adjective, and the adjective is nice. What a nice. And then we find here that a noun, and the noun is pen. What a nice pen. And then subject. We have to write the subject of this assertive sentence, and the subject is it. It. And then we have to write verb. I have missing here the verb. Verb is, and at the end of the sentence we have to write exclamatory sign, that is note of exclamation. Dear student, that is note of exclamation. Dear student, here the sentence of assertive is, it is a very nice pen, and the exclamatory form is, what a nice pen it is. Can you understand it clearly, dear student? And then I am going to the second sentence, and the second sentence is, it was a very lovely garden, dear student. So I have to write what a or an, and the adjective starts with L. That's why we have to write what a. What a. What a. And then we have to write adjective, and the adjective is lovely. What a lovely. And then the noun, and the noun is garden. What a lovely garden. And then we have to write subject, and the subject it. And then we have to write verb, and the verb here is was. What a lovely garden it was. And the student, you know that in exclamatory sentence we have to put a note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. That's why I have put the note of exclamation at the end of sentence. If you don't use it at the end of the sentence, your answer will be incorrect, will be wrong. And then I am writing a sentence here. Third, cricket is a very exciting game. Cricket is a very exciting game. Here we can see the word a very. And so we have to write what a or an. What. I have written here what. Dear student, follow the adjective, and the adjective starts with E, that is a vowel ot. That's why we have to write here an. A is not be applicable here because the adjective starts with E. So dear student, what and then the adjective exciting. What an exciting, and then I have to write game, and the game is a noun word here. What an exciting game, and then I have to write the subject, and the subject is cricket. Here dear student, you can follow, the subject is cricket. That's why I have to write cricket here. Cricket. What an exciting game, cricket. And then I have to write the verb, and the verb is. And at the end of the sentence I have to write the note of exclamation. Dear learners, I hope that you are fully able to understand this rule. Then we have to go rule number second. Shudhumatro very থাকলে. Dear student, here you can see a very, and in number 2 you can see here only very. That's why I am writing 3 sentences to understand you the matter. This house is very nice. The second one, it is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. And the third one, the board is very clear. Dear learners, here you can see that I have written 3 sentences on the rule number 2nd, and here I have written 3 sentences, but I have used here only very, that you can see in the board, dear student. But the first rule I have written here A is an